I'm actually going out, but man, this jacket will not be enough because it's very cold. So I'm going back now to get my thicker jacket. So I wanted to go back to give them this phone back. See, they said this phone is good, but it has been disturbing me because this is where I practically have everything. I cannot even do much without this phone. So I'm going back there now. So when I step out, it was sunny. So I thought maybe today is going to be a good day. I went out with this jacket. It will not serve me because it's very cold. So let me get a thicker one. So I'll go with this one. So my phone is disturbing me. I can't even, it's not making me to be relaxed. Like I'm so tired and it's annoying. So let me go show them the phone again. And I'm not ready to get a new phone. I need the use by phone. I still day road, Sha. I'm still on my way, getting to the place that I'm going to fix the phone. So I'm still walking right away there. So this is how my environment looks. Yeah. Let me show you guys around. Let me show you around. This is how we look. I'm almost there. Yeah. Just 2 minutes to the place. So this is the building. So let me locate the door to the place. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, 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 yeah. And this is the place. And this is the place. Hello. Hello, hello, hello.